Welcome to day 4 of my 30-day body transformation challenge. I am Scott McLaughlin. Today is January 5th. I haven't eaten today since last night. I showed on the last video the eggs and toast and sausages I had for dinner. But what I've been doing for my stomach, if you just, when you're walking around the house, if you're just walking around the house like this, okay? This is gonna help your stomach, and also if you can just lean back whenever you're doing something, this will tighten your ab muscles. And if you put your hands over your head, just leaning back, it does it more. Okay, so if you can actually lean back and do this, it's gonna work it more. But either way, just doing like this, right? This is just one easy thing you can do. Lifting your knees. Okay? And then just leaning back whenever you think about it. Say you're just cooking something, just lean back. Stretch your back. Put your hands over your head. Okay? That's one of the loosen up things we can do. Shoulders. Just getting a little bit of aerobic exercise. I have pretty high metabolism, so just by fasting, I lose weight pretty quick, and everyone who fasts is gonna lose weight fast. I guess that's why they call it fasting. Okay, so another thing I showed you guys was the wall push-ups. What's cool about wall push-ups is you can do the Bruce Lee stuff. Like Bruce Lee did the two finger or one finger push-ups. You can, since you're on the wall, that's how you can start strengthening your muscles, your fingers. So you could start doing it like this, if you choose. You could just do your whole hands like this. Look, so probably not even on the camera. Sorry about that. So, Bruce Lee like this, right? If you want to strengthen your fingers, you can do this. You don't have to. If you want, you can just do it with flat palms or fists. Like flat palms or fists. And just like I was saying before, depending how close you get to the wall, if you're really out of shape, just go really close to the wall and do it. And then the more you do it each day, you can move your feet back further and go like this. And then you do as much as you feel like you can do. And you don't really have to push yourself, but if you want to push yourself, then push yourself. And when you feel like you've done as many as you can do, then stop for a minute and do another set. Or just do one extra when you're at the end of your limit. 4, 5, 6. Another thing that's cool about this is you could easily do claps, right? So you're learning how to do it against the wall. So then eventually, when you get down and do it on the floor, then you'll be able to do it on the floor. Okay, now those are a few exercises that you could do. And really, it's just up to you what you want to do, but I'm just giving you some ideas, right? So, let's see how I look today. So this is day 4 of my 30-day body transformation challenge. And just that little bit gave me some, what do you call it? Got me breathing a little bit, I'm not really, I could work out more than this. I'm feeling better today. One thing I can tell you too is that when you fast, you detox, and you might feel lousy from that, because the first few days of detoxing will make you feel lousy, make you feel like you don't have energy. But the more you go, then you're gonna start feeling better and better and better. So try to go fast one meal or two if you can, and just have one per day. If you have to have something in between, organic fruits or vegetables, or raw seeds or nuts. That's the best way to go. Okay, I'll talk to you later when I have my dinner. Check the description down below, because sometimes I might be putting certain helpful tips or links in the description. And please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, and appreciate all your support. Like, share, comment. If you guys can share this, that would really help me too, because I'm trying to grow this channel, and any help you guys can give me would be greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot.